How can I get rid of Kudzu? It arrived after Hurricane Katrina and is fast growing. It is all over my fence and lawn. I pull and spray, but it keeps coming back. Thank you so much. And this is Deb from Metairie, Louisiana. So it's the old Kudzu. We know it grows real fast. We know half of the South is covered in Kudzu, right?
The plant that ate the South.
It's the plant that ate the South. That's exactly what they say. So this is sounds like in a lawn situation.
Yeah.
Right, so how does she get rid of it?
Well, I think keeping it mowed.
Just
keep it mowed down, and it may take several years
or
more.
Will. It will.
You know, because that stuff, I think, roots all the way to China. So it's going to just take patience and just keeping it mowed down. And if it's coming up her fence, she can just cut those big old vines off, and then I would just get some glyphosate and just paint it right on there, on the cut part of the stem, and that'll knock it back.
That'll knock it back. Yeah, I would use glyphosate or triclopyr. You know, it's another one, which is old brush killer. Yeah, so I would use that.
Work.
Yeah, read and follow the label.
Just don't get it on anything you don't want to die.
That's right. That's exactly right. And I think that will help. But yeah, you got to be persistent.
Oh yeah,
you got to be persistent.
You know, other than just moving away and leaving it.
Just leave it.
Just leave it. Yeah.
Anything, Mr. Jones, you'd like to add to that? Oh, Kudzu.
I know, just thinking about the story of the people who bought a house and got rid of the Kudzu and found a swimming pool. And they asked the seller, and the seller said, "No, I don't know about a swimming pool." I don't know if it's true or not, but it's a great story.
Kudzu stuff. Yeah. It will cover and take over. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.